Are you ready to make $100 a day using AI tools, all without spending a dime? In this video, I'll show you how to leverage free AI tools to start earning right now in 2025. The tools you need. To make this happen, you'll need just a few free or affordable AI tools. 1. ChatGPT. This tool helps you write content like blog posts, emails, and product descriptions. It's your personal content creation. Canva AI. With Canva, you can create beautiful designs for social media, logos, and templates. Perfect for freelancing or selling digital products. 3. Pictory. This is your AI power video editor for creating professional-looking videos, even if your camera is shy. Let's dive into how to use them to make real money. Earning strategies. Freelancing with AI. Freelancing is one of the easiest ways to get started. Here's how. Offer writing services using ChatGPT to create blogs, social media captions, or email copy. Charge $20, $50 per task on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Use Canva AI to design logos, resumes, or Instagram templates. Small businesses are always looking for affordable design services. With Pictory, you can offer video editing services to YouTubers or brands. Think short ads or explainer videos. Charge $50 plus per video and complete it in under an hour. Selling digital products. Create and sell digital products for passive income. Here's what works. Use Canva AI to make printable planners, templates, or digital ebooks. These sell well on Etsy, Creative Market, or Gumroad. Use MidJourney to design unique artwork, which you can sell as prints, phone cases, or even NFTs. These platforms handle the printing and shipping for you, making it super easy. On YouTube or TikTok showcasing these tools. Add your affiliate link in the description. For example, if 10 people sign up through your link, you can earn $50, $100 daily. YouTube automation. One of the most scalable methods is YouTube automation. Use Pictory to create faceless videos in trending niches like tutorials, finance, or gaming. Pair it with ChatGPT to generate scripts and Canva AI to create thumbnails. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, your channel becomes eligible for monetization through ads and sponsorships. The more videos you publish, the faster you grow. Now that you know the strategies, it's time to take action. Comment below your favorite method and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on online income and AI tools.